The Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus hybrid LED work light. Your ultimate lighting solution. With 3,000 lumens of LED brilliance, it lights up vast workspaces effortlessly. Powered by either an 18V1 plus battery or an extension cord, it offers flexibility like never before. Its adjustable head rotates 360 degrees, tilts, and can be mounted on a tripod or hooked up, granting precise illumination. Featuring 3 light settings, it adapts to any task, compact, lightweight, and backed by a 3-year warranty. It's an ideal companion for construction, home improvement, outdoor adventures, and emergencies. Elevate your workspace with Ryobi's innovation. The Ryobi Rapid Cut Foam Cutter FVH 64K, your solution for precise foam cutting. Equipped with an 18-volt motor, it rapidly heats the wire, easily slicing through foam up to 2 inches thick. Its lightweight, portable design makes it suitable for job sites or workshops, and the adjustable cutting height ensures accuracy. With a built-in stand, it's always ready to work. This kit includes a 10-foot power cord and 4 replacement wires, providing everything you need. Perfect for various tasks like crafting, insulation, and model making. Elevate your foam cutting with Ryobi's innovation. Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus 3-gallon Project Wet/Dry Vacuum, your cordless cleanup companion. Designed for wet or dry messes, it boasts a 3-gallon capacity to tackle larger tasks. With a robust motor generating up to 45 CFM airflow, it ensures powerful suction. This vacuum arrives with versatile attachments including a crevice tool, utility nozzle, and blower nozzle, enhancing its utility. Part of the Ryobi 1 Plus system, it shares batteries with other Ryobi tools. This vacuum excels in tasks such as workshop cleanup, garage spill cleanup, car detailing, and driveway debris clearing. Weighing a mere 7.3 pounds, it's effortlessly portable. Its 4.0A battery offers up to 15 minutes of run time. Measuring 10.2 inches tall, 14.5 inches wide, and 11.2 inches deep, it's compact yet powerful. The Ryobi Hobby Station RHS-01, a versatile tool for diverse craft projects. With a reversible base plate, routing fence capability, and vacuum compatibility, it offers enhanced precision and organization. Integrated dust management keeps your workspace clean. It's suitable for drilling, rooting, sanding, engraving, cutting, and more. Designed for use with rotary tools like Ryobi, Dremel, and Milwaukee, it covers a wide range of hobbies. Priced at $99, it combines value and functionality. You elevate your crafting with the Ryobi Hobby Station RH01, your all-in-one solution for precise and controlled hobby work. The Ryobi 15-amp 10 inches table saw with folding stand, your powerful cutting companion. The 15-amp motor, churning 5,000 revolutions per minute, effortlessly handles wood, plywood, and plastics. A spacious cast aluminum tabletop measures 27.17 inches in length, 28.74 inches in width, and stands 16.93 inches in height, providing stability. The folding stand, built from durable steel with a powder-coated finish, ensures easy transport and storage. Accessories like a blade guard, push stick, miter gauge, and rip fence are included. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this option suits DIYers and hobbyists seeking value. While not as robust as some professional-grade saws, the Ryobi 15-amp 10 inches table saw with folding stand offers versatility and performance at an attractive price point. Ryobi FVL 52K LED Flip Light, your portable illumination solution. This compact light operates on a USB rechargeable battery, offering flexibility on the go. With 500 lumens, it's ideal for tasks in dim environments, camping, and hiking. 3 adjustable light modes cater to varying needs. The pivoting stand and magnetic base facilitate easy mounting and directing light as required. Boasting an IP54 rating, it's resistant to water and dust, suitable for tough conditions. With up to 24 hours of run time on the low setting, it ensures prolonged use. The Ryobi FVL 52K LED Flip Light is your reliable companion, suitable for a multitude of tasks, from confined spaces to outdoor adventures. The Ryobi Infrared Thermometer, a non-contact temperature measurement solution. With a range of -50 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, It accurately gauges object temperatures from a distance. The 8:1 distance-to-spot ratio ensures precision for objects 8 meters away with a 1 meter diameter. A visible laser dot aids targeting, and the backlit LCD display enhances visibility in low light. Versatile for various tasks from electrical components to people, it's accurate, user-friendly, and long-lasting. The Ryobi infrared thermometer is your dependable tool for touch-free temperature measurement in diverse scenarios. Introducing the Ryobi 60-watt foldable solar panel, your portable power solution. Lightweight and versatile, it efficiently charges phones, tablets, and power banks. Its foldable design ensures easy transportation and storage. Crafted from durable materials, it's built to withstand the elements. Equipped with 2 USB ports and a barrel connector, it accommodates various devices. Compatibility extends to most Ryobi power tools and batteries, as well as solar chargers and inverters. While not the most potent option available, the Ryobi 60-watt foldable solar panel offers great value for those seeking portable charging capabilities on the go. The Ryobi 18 View 1 Plus Jump Starter, your cordless rescue solution. Versatile for cars, trucks, boats, and motorcycles, it's powered by any Ryobi 18V battery, leveraging your existing collection. With a peak output of 1600 amps, it effectively jumpstarts various vehicles. The built-in LED work light aids in emergencies or repairs. Additionally, a USB port charges devices like phones and tablets. Its compact, lightweight design ensures easy storage and transportation. While not the most potent option, the Ryobi 18V1 Plus Jump Starter offers portable and convenient jump starting, making it a valuable tool at a reasonable price. The Ryobi Link Rolling Storage System is a versatile modular solution designed to organize and transport tools and equipment. Crafted from durable, weatherproof materials, it suits various environments. Its modular design allows components to be interconnected, enabling customization. Easy assembly and portability enhance usability. The system's key features include weather resistance, adaptability, and sturdiness. Although it comes at a higher price, the Ryobi Link Rolling Storage System offers a premium, long-lasting solution for those seeking durable and customizable storage for tools and equipment. Introducing the Ryobi 40-volt HP brushless Kinetic log splitter, your cordless log splitting powerhouse. Driven by a 40-volt HP brushless motor, it wields a 12-ton force, effortlessly cleaving logs up to 20 inches long and 10 inches in diameter. The Kinetic splitting system harnesses energy during the ram's withdrawal, releasing it for a swift, forceful split, 10 times faster than hydraulic splitters. Enhanced by a built-in LED light, it ensures visibility in low-light conditions, and its user-friendly design simplifies usage and storage. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.